The most important thing to overcome COVID-19 is medical staff, but they're in a serious situation. The number of deaths by the virus will continue to increase if our medical staff lack basic protective equipment and are continually exposed to the virus. Our priority is to save our medical heroes from this serious situation. A solution came out of South Korea, creating a safe space between the medical staff and the patient. However, the protective booth is expensive, bulky, and difficult to transport. So we prepared. Inspired by IKEA's design, we use a flat pack that can be installed in any environment easily all over the world. The cost is low and it can be assembled using only the included electric screwdriver. Using this booth will reduce the amount of medical waste and protect medical staff. Positive pressure fans inside the booth supply clean air and prevent external viruses from coming inside. The gloves and exterior of the booth can be sanitized with disinfectant spray simply by pressing a pedal. By reducing the weight and using minimalist designs, we've reduced the price by 75% and volume by 87%. One booth protects 98 people per day. With 100 booths in a year, we can protect and save 3.5 million people. It shouldn't be difficult to live our daily lives if we could just protect our medical staff properly during examinations all over the world. JENNER.